Welcome back to our channel. ONDO Coin is making moves, and traders are wondering, can it break 92 cents and push higher? Let's analyze the price action, resistance levels, and key targets. Currently, ONDO Coin is recovering after hitting a low of $0.57, but it remains in a downtrend. The key resistance level is $0.92, and breaking above it could push the price toward $1.03. However, if the resistance holds, we could see another pullback toward $0.57, which is a strong support zone. $0.92, critical resistance. $1.03, upside target if resistance breaks. $0.57, strong buy zone if price pulls back. Right now, RSI is at a low level, indicating potential upside, but there's no confirmed reversal yet. If you're long-term bullish, accumulation at 57 to 70 cents could be a strong strategy. Do you think ONDO Coin will break past 92 cents? Drop your predictions in the comments. Like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto updates. Thanks for watching.